Now we are going to see the topic of half-life. In general, we know we cannot calculate the time taken for the number of atoms n goes to the decay. However, we can calculate the time taken by the given sample of atoms to reduce some fraction of the initial time. Okay. So, in this case, now we are going to introduce the half-life. Half-life is nothing but it is an important characteristics of the every radioactive sample. Some radioactive sample having the half-life of 10 power 14 years, some having the 10 power minus 14 seconds. Now we define the half-life. Half-life is the time required for the number of atoms initially present to reduce the one half of the initial amount. It is the definition of half-life. Now we are going to derive the equation of half-life. Time taken for the disintegration T is equal to T half, number of atom decays n is equal to n naught by 2. Substitute the equation of n is equal to n naught into e power minus lambda t. It will become n naught by 2 is equal to n naught into e power minus lambda t half. N naught can cancel. So 1 by 2 is equal to e power minus lambda into t half. Take reciprocal on both the sides. So e power lambda into t half is equal to 2. Now take log on both the sides. So lambda t half is equal to ln 2. So t half is equal to ln 2 by lambda. Ln 2 is nothing but a 0.6931 by lambda. So t half is equal to 0.6931 by lambda. So half-life t half is equal to ln 2 by lambda. This is in terms of decay constant. So decay constant lambda is equal to 0.6931 by t half. This relationship between the half-life and decay constant. Initial number of atom is n naught at a time t is equal to 0. In the first half-life, undecayed atom is n naught by 2. Okay. In the second half-life, undecayed atom is n naught by 4 and so going on. So in general, n half-life will be taking the number of nuclei remaining undecayed is given by n is equal to 1 by 2 the whole power n into n naught. Okay, where n is a integer or non-integer. So activity of radioactive sample also obeys the exponential law. So we can also write the equation for the activity similar to this. After n half-life, activity or decay rate of any radioactive sample can be written as R is equal to 1 by 2 whole to the power of n into R naught. Into R naught. This is for the activity. That means decay rate. Okay. That's all. This is a graph of the half-life. For the first half-life, decay will be A naught by 2. For second, A naught by 4. Next, A naught by 8. And so going on. As the time is increases, number of atoms will be decreases. This is about the half-life.